Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm always happy to get on camera filming my unboxing because right now I moved to a countryside, so I probably see horses more than I see people. So it's good to get connected with you all, and let's get it started. Today I have a box from Portland Leather. So open up the box. This is how it looks inside. Looks like it's wrapped in tissue paper. Let's take the bag out. If you are here watching, I'm sure you already know what this is. So let's remove the tissue paper. You see the tissue papers kind of stuck. That's because this bag has magnetic closure, and you can see it's pretty strong. It's holding the tissue paper in place. So this is how it looks out of the box. This is made from their full grain leather. I believe this is their nutmeg leather. A really great neutral color for everyday use. Just now I mentioned that this messenger bag using magnetic closure, so let's test it out. It's pretty strong, so it's not going to be flapping around. You don't have to worry about this flap just opens occasionally or randomly. It's holding it in place. Need a little bit of tension to pull it up. So before I continue, I thought I would also show you the XL Classic Messenger bag. So to compare these two, for size comparison, so the modern messenger bag is slightly smaller. And here is the side view for comparison. The classic XL messenger bag is wider on the side as well. So if you need a bigger messenger bag, you probably want to choose this one. But if you want a messenger bag that's not too big and great for everyday use, you can choose this modern messenger bag that they just released recently. So on the outside, you can see that it has minimal branding, just their logo embossed on the leather. It's not very obvious. And then on the side, you see this D-ring for you to hook on your crossbody strap. Looks like they have a rivets added here to strengthen the attachment so that you don't have to worry about your D-ring fall apart. Not sure if you can see through the camera, the D-ring is kind of a heavy duty one, not a thinner one like we usually see. And then on the back, it doesn't have a back pocket though, but it does have this grab handle. Double layer grab handle. Both sides has this pebble leather texture. Really soft and comfortable to grab. In terms of the construction, this one is stitched inside. Compared to the XL messenger bag, it has an outward stitching. So two messenger bags has two different looks, depending on which one you prefer or the style that you like better. Let's open up the flap and see what's inside. So open it up. This is what it looks like under the flap. It has the magnetic here to help you close your bag and keep it in place. And on the top, on this flap, you see I think this is a cotton canvas lining, and with two magnetic closure. No wonder the magnetic closure is so strong. It's quite a big magnet that they install on this bag. So before looks inside the bag, I can see that the bag also features this hem top design. This edges is protected that when you take things in and out, it's not going to get scratched out easily. And this is the crossbody strap that came with it. It's really nice canvas lining I seeing here. And at the back, you have a compartment. Probably you can use it for your iPad or a small laptop. And then on the front, it has a slip pocket. You can put your phone here. so that easy to find your phone, or you can put your key here. Other than the compartment and the pocket is a big open space. You can stretch it out and easy to fit your stuff inside. So I'm quite surprised to see that they have this canvas lining, because the classic XL messenger bag is raw suede side on the inside. It doesn't have lining. Just want to show you in case you're not familiar with this bag. I have an unboxing video on this bag as well if you want to go look. Inside this XL classic messenger bag, it doesn't have lining, just the suede on the other side. Now let's look at this crossbody strap. So let me give you a closer look of this strap. It features their heavy duty hardware. It has a rivet here to strengthen the attachment. And it has this strap catcher loop thing that keep your strap in place if you want a shorter shoulder strap or crossbody strap. And then it also has this shoulder pad. Both sides also pebble leather. Really soft nutmeg pebble leather. I really like that they add this shoulder pad. It's the right size and the right thickness. It makes the whole experience better when you're carrying it crossbody. So before I forget, I want to mention that depending on when you watch this video, I'm currently in this 2-month collaboration period with Portland Leather. So this is the second and the last bag they sent me for a review. I'm not sure that in the future they will send me more bags for review or not. I guess it depends on how my affiliate link performs, so who knows. But I'm always glad to review their products for you. Other than that, all the Portland Leather bags on my channels, I purchased them myself. I have purchased so many of their bags. Maybe I should do a full collection of my Portland Leather bags. What do you think? Would you be interested to see all my Portland Leather bags? So sometimes on my video, people would ask me what is the measurement, if this bag fits a laptop or not. So I thought I would measure it this time. So if you stretch it this way, really pull it far apart, it could reach 15 inch. So if you have a laptop that's smaller than 15 inch, it's likely you are able to fit in this messenger bag. And then I'm going to measure the internal height, not the outside, because sometimes with the lining, it will be a different height inside. So the height inside the bag is about 9.5 inch. And when you close the bag, it's likely you have ½ inch room to expand on the top if you really need to put more stuff, or if you have a laptop that's slightly taller. I don't usually measure my bags when I do unboxing, so hopefully you like this and you find it helpful. So right now, I kind of have a few things that I want to try to put in my bags. So here is my 12.9 iPad Pro. Let's see if it fits inside the compartment. It does. So this is how it looks. It does reach the top if you have an 12.9 iPad Pro. And this is my Kindle Scribe. It's their biggest Kindle. Let's put it in as well. Both are inside the compartment and they still fit, so you actually can fit both devices in the compartment. And here I have my Leica Q2. It's a really bulky camera with the lens stick out like that. So let's try this because many bags cannot fit this camera. Lens face down. Yeah, it does fit inside. Let's see if I'm able to close it. It's a little bit tight to close it. The magnetic closure still stick to it, but it does make the profile kind of more bulky. Let's see. Let's see if I take out these two. Just have my camera in. So you can actually use this as your camera bag as well. It can fit multiple camera and lenses, but you do want to add padding to separate your camera and lens. Don't let them knock around in your bag. So I have my iPad Pro inside, and then let's put in this Sony headphone. and the pencil case. Still have plenty of room and it's not too heavy. Next, I'm going to try it on to see how it looks on my body. But before I proceed, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank you all for supporting me, because I really appreciate you all that leave kind comment and supportive comments after watching my last video regarding the announcement of my collaboration with Portland Leather and my unboxing. So far, I haven't seen the number on my affiliate link, so I don't know that if anyone actually used my link. Regardless, I still appreciate you all here watching and talking to me and have discussion in the comment area. Now let me try this bag on and see how it looks. So right now this strap is on its shortest setting, and you can adjust it much longer, but if you want it to be shorter, you will have to punch holes on the strap, which is not hard to do. For reference, I'm 5'9". I'm not going to tell you my weight. So this is how it looks on someone who is 5'9". I like how it looks. I think it's great for students or people who go to office, or even for casual day out, because I think this is just the right size. When I was in Austin, I used to go to coffee shop to meet my friends a lot. I think this would be a perfect bag for that. To bring my camera and some journals with me. Now let's look at how it looks if I just carry it as a shoulder bag. It definitely drops lower. So if you like a shorter shoulder bag setting, you have to punch more holes. I'm definitely a crossbody person, and I like this height that's easy for me to just open and close my bag to get things in and out. Okay, I probably spent too much time admiring this bag. I may take it out with me later. So that's it for today's unboxing, and I'm sure I will buy more bags from them because I have heard that they have more bags coming out. Personally, I do love it a lot because it's not too big and not too small. And I love that on the side it has some width to it so that you can carry quite a bit of stuff instead of really narrow like some of the messenger bag. I can't wait to take it out and use it every day and see how it develops patina. Thanks for watching today's unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!